Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, we will continue some more concepts related to dictionary. In the previous chapters, we have discussed some of the concepts which are related to dictionary, and this chapter is a continuation of those concepts. And so you need to study a couple of previous chapters before studying this chapter to understand the concepts properly. So let us create a file. Let me create a Python file, dictionary part 3. Our agenda for today's discussion includes looping through a dictionary using a for loop, copying a dictionary, a nested dictionary, and couple of dictionary methods, from keys and set default. And some of the other remaining dictionary methods we have discussed in the earlier chapters. So let us start with the looping through a dictionary. Let me create a dictionary dict1 equal to, so let me create key value A means 1, so B 2, C 3, D 4. So this is a dictionary we have. So suppose I want to print the keys. Let us print the keys, printing keys for X in dict1. For X in dict1, print X. It will print the keys from this dictionary. See, you can see A, B, C, D, all keys got printed here. So this is how you can print the keys. And there is one more way you can print the key. For example, for X in dict1 dot keys, print of X, and this is another way of printing a key. Let me run it again. So you can see here another way you can print the keys, and these are the two ways. So let us see how to print the value. Print value from the dictionary. For X in dict1, for X in dict1, print dict1 of X. This will print the value. Let us see how it will. This is one of the way you can print the value of the dictionary. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Here X means it is a key. Based on this key index of, it will print the value. Another way you can print the value is for X in dict1 dot values, print of X. This will also print the value of the dictionary. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 values got printed, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and there is a way you can print both key and value. For that, for X comma Y in dict1 dot items, print X So let us say print, we can say print X comma Y. So it will print both key value as a pair. Let me right click and run. So you can see key and values both got printed here. So we have learned how to print the keys, how to print the value, and how to print both key and value while looping through the dictionary. So these are the concepts we have learned. So let us move to the next concept, copying a dictionary. Copy a dictionary. So let me write something here to distinguish. So how to do, for example, if I say DICT1 equal to DICT2, it will not, DICT2 equal to DICT1. If I say like this, it will not create a copy. It will, DICT2 will be pointing to the DICT1. How? Let us see. If I print the memory location of, print ID of DICT1, print ID of DICT2, both will display same memory location. Right click and run. See here, both are displaying same memory location. So suppose if I change, so let me print DICT2 now, DICT2. This is the values got displayed. Now let me change DICT1. DICT1 dot update of, say, let us say DICT1 of say E equal to 5. Now if I print DICT1, it will add a new value to, we have added a new value, key value for DICT1. So let me right click and run. So here A, B, C, D, E got added. Now we have not done any changes to DICT2, but DICT2 will also get changed. To verify, let me print the DICT2 again. DICT2, here DICT2 also got changed, because this will not create a copy, it will just create a reference for DICT2, which will be pointing to DICT1. To create a copy, what we need to do is, for example, let me create a copy now, DICT3 equal to DICT1 dot copy. So now if I print the memory location, print ID of DICT3, it will be different from DICT1 and 2. Right click and run. See here, this memory location is different from this memory locations, because DICT3 is a copy, it is not pointing to the same memory location. Even if I change DICT1 now if I, let me print the DICT3 first, DICT3. So it is a copy of DICT1 exactly. So now let me change the DICT1 again, DICT1 of, say, F equal to 6. Now DICT1 will get changed. Let me print DICT1. F will get added here. See, F got added, it got changed. But DICT3 will not change, because it is already copied earlier to the new location. Let me print DICT3 again. 3. See, it is only having E, F is not having, because DICT1, DICT3 is created using copy of DICT1 and DICT3 is pointing to different memory location. So even though we change DICT1 after this, it will not change. So we can see the difference. This will create a reference, but this statement will create a copy. There is one more way to create a copy using DICT method. For example, DICT4 equal to DICT of DICT1. So if I print dict4 and let me print id of dict4 as well. So value of dict4 and memory location, let me right click and run. See here, memory location is different from dict1, so but it is copied dict1 to dict4, a different memory location. So dict4 got created from this value of dict1. So here we have understood there are two methods to copy a dictionary using this copy method, dict1.copy, and you can also use dict constructor or dict keyword to create a copy of the dictionary. So we have understood these two concepts. So there is one more concept called nested dictionary. Nested dictionary means dictionary within a dictionary, dictionary within a dictionary. It means, let us understand this with an example. Let us say I will create a dictionary called school. School is a dictionary. Here I can have, let us say, student 1. So student 1 can be having multiple values here again. Let us understand this with let us say we create a dictionary called school. School can have, let us say, student 1. So student 1 can be having multiple attributes again. Similarly, student 2 can also be having multiple attributes. Let us say here name, you can say Raj, ID say 1. So similarly here let us say name, Beam, ID 2. So like this, let us similarly let us say student 3 also I can create here. Student 3 name is equal to say Ram, ID 3. So similarly I can create a student 4, name is equal to Ravi, ID 4, like this you can create. So this is school is a dictionary, and within the school each of this is again dictionary, student 1, student 2, student 3. So if I say print of school, it will print everything. See here, everything got printed here. Print of. So you can see everything is printed. Suppose I want to access this first item. How I can access? Print school of student 1, then it will print only this student 1 details. See here, student 1. Suppose I want to print only name of the student 1, then how I can access that? Print school of student 1 and say, and then here name. It should only print Raj now. See here, only name. Similarly, if I want to print only ID of student 4, print school of student 4 and I can say here ID. So student 4 ID, it should only display 4. What is the issue? Okay, it should be capital I. Right click and run. See here, only 4 got displayed. ID of student 4. Like this, we can have a nested dictionary. It means each key is having a assigned a dictionary again, then it will become an extra dictionary. School is a dictionary, and each of the student 1, 2, 3, 4, these are keys. They are again dictionaries which are having key value pairs. So you can access the entire item like this, or you can access a particular item within this dictionary using this indexing like this. 2 indexes you need to use, outer index and inner index. So let us move on to next concept. So there are 2 methods we have in this dictionary that we have not discussed so far: from keys and set default. So let us discuss about these methods. Let me create some distinguishing line here. So from keys, what it will do is it will create dictionary based on given key and value. For example, let me create one tuple called k equal to say key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4. So I have created a 4 keys which is a tuple, and let me create a value v equal to, let us say, 1. If I want to create a dictionary using this key and this given value, then I can use a from keys method. For example, let me create a new dictionary equal to dict dot from keys of, what is the key? K, comma v is a value. If I print new dictionary now, it should print a key value pair. Right click and run. See here, key 1 is 1, key 2 is 1. Again, this given value will be assigned to each of these key. Each of the key will be having same value. It will be, this method is useful if you want to initialize each of key with a same value. New dictionary will got created using this from keys value. Key it will get from this key 1 by 1, and value it will get from v 1 by 1, and it will create a dictionary. So this is how this from keys method, if you want to initialize the keys with a certain value, that will be useful. Set default method, there is another method. This method will return value of the given key. If key is not present, it will, create that key value in the given dictionary. It will create that key value pair. For example, let me say create a dictionary here again, dict 5 equal to let us say, let me say A1, similarly B colon 2. So this is the dictionary, right? So if I want to, let us say, result equal to dict5 dot set default of, let me say key is A, comma value I want to give v. So this is the result. So let me print this result. So it will display 1 because key A is already present in the dictionary. If key A is not present, then this value v will get assigned. So let me right click and run. See here, 1 is returned because value of this key is 1 here. Suppose similarly, let me say again result dict5 dot set default of, let me say z is not present here. So let me give another value, say z is equal to new is the value I will assign for this key. So this should be comma here. So now if I print the result, what will happen? So it will search whether z key is present here. It is not present, only A and B, two keys are present. So then what it will do is it will insert this z with value new. So it will, result will contain value new. So let me right click and run. See, value new is returned. If I print that dict5, it will be having three keys A, B and Z. Right click and run. See, A, B and Z. Z is having a value as new. So now in this chapters we have learnt looping through a dictionary. We have learnt how to access key, value and both key and value as well. And we know how to copy the dictionary using copy method or dict keyword or dict constructor. And if you just use a equal operator, it will not copy but it will point to the given dictionary. So nested dictionary means dictionary within a dictionary. We know how to access the values here when we have a dictionary within a dictionary. This dictionary, outer dictionary is there, and inside this each of these keys again having a dictionary key value pair. So we can access using two indexes, outer index and inner index. So similarly these are the two concepts, and finally we have learnt about two methods, from keys and set default. From keys, it will create a new dictionary using given key and value. We need to give key and value here, key comma value, and it will create a new dictionary based on given key and value. If we want to initialize particular set of keys with given value, then we can use this method. Set a default, again we will pass here key and value here also. What it will do is it will return a value of the given key if a key is not present, and this key value pair will be inserted into the dictionary. So these are the things we have learned in this chapter. If you have any clarifications regarding these topics, please comment in the comment section, or you can also provide a feedback in your comment section. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.